Today we have assembled live clams from New York State hatchery, and we have collected our eelgrass seeds and cleaned them up and have them ready to do the work we're going to do. And I have this special glue that we're going to use to attach the eelgrass seeds to these clams. These are all the seeds we collected. Might not look like a lot. There's about 50,000 seeds here. Right on the apex of the shell is where we're going to put a little glue. We're going to dip them down onto the seeds, and then we're going to put them back on another tray. And when we have that tray filled up, we'll put them back in this flowing saltwater tank to keep the clams alive and keep the seeds wet. And then they'll stay in this tank until we're ready to transport them and deploy them. So what I came up with is what they call biomimicry. It's mimicking what happens in nature. I was seeking out the symbiotic nature of eelgrass with all the animals that it's connected to. And clams came up a lot. I just know that clams bury themselves. They're not that deep, close proximity of where these seeds need to be when they need to germinate. They need to be buried. That's all we're really doing is, we're kind of forcing the clam to take seeds with it every time it buries itself. That's the mechanical advantage we're using with this animal. We got about 3,000 done. We got another 7,000 to go.
Get to work. Here we go.
Yeah, here we go.